Alright, so I've opened my Arduino IDE and I already have the code implemented. So for the sake of time, I'm just going to walk you through and I'll leave the link down below for you to be able to access the code. Okay, so here we are we are setting our ports. Okay, so if you could clearly remember, I want to go to, okay, so this is the project, right? Okay, so as you can see, we have port 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this one is assigned to traffic 1 red. Okay, traffic 1 red light. Okay, and then the next one is, the next one is assigned to traffic 1 yellow light. Okay, so in that order. So that is how the assigning of the port pins is going to be. Okay, so red for 0, yellow for 1, so yellow 1, meaning the red lights of traffic 1. Okay, in that order. So here we are assigning the pins from 0 to 11. Okay, so as you can see here, it starts from 0 and ends up at 11. Okay, so now let's continue. So after that, you now set up. Okay, so here what you are trying to do is we are trying to let the program, or we are trying to give an instruction by saying all the ports, yeah, that is from 0 to 11, we want them to be output pins. Okay, we are going to be sending signals out of the board. Okay, so we are sending signals to the traffic light. So when it's on, then the traffic light, that particular light of the traffic light will be on. Okay, when it's low, it will be off, in that order. Okay, so here we are just setting up. So pin mode, we are trying to say this pin mode should be output. Okay, so it should just be sending out information. Okay, so for the first traffic light, in the first instance, what you are trying to do is you want green light to be on. Then the third traffic light, we want green light to be on. Sorry, so it's traffic light 1 and 2. So let me see if I can share the image again. Okay, so I wish. Okay, so for the first instance, this road traffic 1, sorry, traffic 1 and traffic 3, right? Yeah, they will be on. Their green lights will be on, and then the rest will be off. Okay, so that is what we are trying to do basically. So as you can see here, we are on the light of them, and then we are on the red light of the traffic 2 and 4. Okay, so let me again show you. Oh, okay, so as you can see here, this red light is on and this one is also on. So let's go back. Okay, so after that, for 2 seconds, you want to switch so that both of them, their yellow will be on, traffic 1 and 2, their yellow will be on, whilst we are trying to indicate the cars that they should try and then slow down because they are about to stop. Okay, and then you now lower our green lights of them. Okay, so we switch the green light off and on their yellow lights. All right, and after that, for 10 seconds, now you have to off the yellow lights and then lower the green light as well. Okay, and then traffic 2. Okay, sorry, this has to be under traffic 2, so let me quickly do that. Okay, good. So after that, traffic 2, the yellow will be on, indicating that they are about to move. Okay, and then we will on the red light of 1 and 2, and then 1 and 3, sorry, and then we will lower the red light of 2. Okay, because yellow have to be on, so we lower the red light and then we on the green light, the yellow light, and then we on the red light of the others. Okay, sorry, I know you are getting confused, but just stick with me. Okay, after we've implemented it, you will see what I'm trying to say. Okay, so now let's continue. Sorry, I'm in school, so if you get any noise from the background, kindly pardon with me. Okay, so but I'll try my best to filter some of them out. Okay, so here, yeah, after some seconds. Okay, so it's just for 1 second. Okay, after 1 second, you now on the green light. Okay, and then we off the yellow light of the traffic 2. Okay, so I think yeah. So okay, I didn't indicate when the yellow light is on, but you see here we've on the green light, so the yellow light has to be off. Okay, so now let's go back, and then after the yellow green light is on, we off the yellow light. We still maintain our 1 and 3 red lights on, and then you off the red light of the second one. Okay, so after 2 seconds, you now bring the yellow light back, indicating the cars that hey, it's almost time, so you have to slow down because you have to stop. Okay, we lower the green light, and then you make the red light of the 3 on. Okay, and then here what we do is we will now on the yellow light of the 3rd road. Okay, so let me show you again. Okay, so you on the yellow light of this one, indicating the telling the cars down here that you are about to move, so you have to now change the gear or something. Okay, so yeah, and then after some seconds you now on the green light. Okay, some cases. Okay, yeah, so you on the green light, you on the red light of traffic 1, traffic 2, 3. Okay, you lower the red light of traffic 4 because the yellow has to be on, the green has to be on. You lower the yellow of traffic 4 also because you on it here, so you have to lower it. Okay, yeah, here, so you have to lower it. And after some seconds, that is 2 seconds, you now on the yellow light again, indicating or telling the drivers that Charlie, it's almost time, so you have to slow down because you can stop at any moment. Okay, yeah. And then after that, you now lower everything. In the traffic 4, lower everything. Okay, and then the process starts again. Okay, so it will be in that order, that loop. Okay, so now let's build it and now see how the implementation is going to be. Okay, so compiling is done. No, not yet. Yeah, still compiling. Yeah. Alright, so once compiling is done, we have to get the hex code of the hex file of the code. Okay, that's what we are actually going to let me say install in the Arduino board so that it can work. Okay, it will know the instructions to execute. Okay, so here you have to look for the file directory. So users HP app like long. Okay, and then you go into this folder, Arduino build 90 something something SQL traffic light. Okay, so traffic. So you are going to grab this SQL, or we are going to link or tell the Arduino board to read from this SQL file. Okay, so now let's go back to our Proteus. Alright, so back to Proteus. Okay, so what you have to do now is you have to double click on the Arduino board, and then here you click on this folder, and you are going to navigate to where the hex file is. Okay, so I'm going to go to this computer, go to my local, go to users HP, scroll down to app data, local, and then we are going to scroll down to temp folder. Now we have to search for Arduino build. Okay, so Arduino build _ 90 4973. So click on that one. Yeah, this is the hex file, so we're going to click on it and select open. Now you click on OK. Alright, so what you have to do now is you have to run it. Let's see whether everything will work. Good, so the green lights are on, moves to yellow, now red, and then oops, it's a little bit fast, but you have to just get the implementation. Okay, green light is on, yellow is now on. Okay, so you can stop here and analyze it. Okay, so yellow is on, and after that, look, the yellow of this second traffic light comes on, indicating that they should start removing their gears from park, and then now start like get ready to move. Okay, and then after some seconds, the green light is now on. So in this case, it's only the cars coming from the top can move. Okay, so this is it. All right. Okay, so now let's continue. Okay, now after some seconds, the yellow comes on, indicating that they should slow down because they are about to stop. Okay, and then after then, the red light comes on, and then yellow lights of the cars below, the cars coming from this side, comes on, indicating that the drivers should get ready because they are about to move. Okay, and then green light comes on, meaning they can now move. Okay, after a point, yellow comes back, indicating they should slow down because they are about to stop. And then now here we go again. Okay, so now the green light of the main road comes on, and then we move. That's so this is basically how the to my opinion, like how the algorithm is supposed to work. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you think there is a different way we can do it or something, or you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you very much for sticking around, and I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, we have other videos coming on. Okay, so turn on your notification and then check them out. So thank you for being around. I'm Christian once again. You can call me Don. Okay, the one Don, the only Don. Okay, see you. Bye.